Hi guys, welcome to the session. Today we'll learn about ifs statement. When I say ifs, I'll write it so that it becomes clear to you. IFS. Now, I will show you why this statement is required. Now, earlier, suppose this is a set of data where first name, second name, etc. details are given, and all these people underwent an aptitude test and they scored certain marks. Now, based on if statement, we can create a column like pass, fail, fail, etc. How it works is, if I recall your memory, it goes like this. If G2, that is, we are operating on cell G2, is greater than 75, it is pass. If it is less than 75, it is fail. So it was a good logical way of finding out who has passed or who has failed. But suppose we want to give grades to these people, that depending upon their score, they are being provided with some grades. Then, with Boolean functions like if statement, either greater than this or smaller than this will not be sufficient, and that is where IFS, that is if statement, comes into picture. So I'll show you how it works. Is equal to IFS, and then the column that I want to operate it on is aptitude test, and that is, I'll select this, and it has given G2. Now, if G2 is greater than, say, I create a formula 90, then the grade I want to give is A plus. Again, if G2 is greater than 74, then I want to give a grade as A. Again, we can go further. If G2 is greater than, say, 60, I will give, say, B plus, and so on. You can keep on giving, and one I will do at the end. If G2 is less than 60, then it is, say, F. Now what happens is here, that it will first check for the if G2 is greater than 90, then it will not check any further. Now, after checking G2 is equal to 90, it finds no, it is not equal to 90, then it will check for the next condition. So that way, it will be able to create a required grades to these scores. So instead of just checking for false or true, it is checking for multiple checks. So I think in many of the cases, this is very useful. So if I say enter, what happened? I did something wrong. Okay, A plus, G2 is 74 is A, G2 is greater than 60. Oh, see, these little, I forgot the quotes in there. Silly mistakes, typing mistakes. I say enter. Still something is there. So greater than 90, A plus, G2 is greater than 74, A, G2 is greater than 60, B plus. G2 is greater less than 60, F. Okay. Oh, sorry guys. See, I created this inverted comma before plus, so it got confused. What is that meaning? See, I wanted to give B plus, and I gave this comma. Yeah, not looks fine. So you can see, depending upon our formula, it has given grades to all these scores. So as I told you, see, when you are writing a long code for equations, be very careful with the typing mistakes. We spent about 50-60 seconds just to find out our typing mistake. So that's all guys in this session, and I'll see you again in next session. We'll come out with some very useful Excel features. Thank you.